Okay, in this video, we are going to look at human inheritance, the ABO blood groups. As you have learned that in Form 4, do you still remember the ABO blood group? Human blood is classified into 4 groups, which are A, B, AB, and O. And this ABO blood group in humans is an example of multiple alleles. Okay, multiple here refers to 3 different alleles, namely the IA, IB, and IO. Okay, so both IB and IA, they are dominant alleles. You can also refer here to the key indicator, and only IO is a recessive allele. Okay, recall, these alleles, they determine the types of antigens that are present on the surface membrane of a red blood cells. Okay, however, a person only possesses 2 alleles to determine his or her blood group. So therefore, a combination of IA and IO, okay, look here in this table, expresses a group A blood phenotype. Okay, which means the person is going to have blood group A, whereas IBIO heterozygous expresses a group B blood phenotype. Okay, so the person is having blood group B. Okay, if IA and IB are present together, the effects of both alleles show. Okay, because they are dominant. So in this case, we call it as co-dominant to one another. So this combination of both alleles is going to result in the person having AB blood group phenotype. Okay, so there's a question here. How do you solve a blood group inheritance issue in the following problem? A man, which is A blood group, married to a woman with a B blood group. So explain the probability of the couple in getting a child with O blood group. So is that possible? The answer is yes. Only if the mother and father are heterozygous for A blood group and B blood group. So this schematic diagram explains the answer. Okay, so first we write down the phenotype of the parents. A blood group for the father, B blood group for the mother. Okay, next, from the phenotype, we derive the genotype. Okay, they are both heterozygous. Okay, next one, meiosis takes place to form gamete. Okay, so this is the format of writing it. So gamete, 4 types of gametes over here, which in each gamete, it will inherit only 1 allele from the pair. Okay, random fertilization happens. And next, let's look at the probability. Okay, let's look at the genotype that the child might be getting. There are 4 of them. So from here, let's write down the phenotype of the child. Okay, if it is heterozygous, if it is codominant IA-IB, so that means the child is going to have blood group AB. Okay, here is heterozygous A blood group, so the child will be having A blood group. Okay, same goes to heterozygous B, and if it is homozygous O, so that means the child will be having O blood group. So that means it is possible. From here, okay, we can derive the ratio of 25% for each probability. So that means blood group AB to A to B and to O is the ratio of 1 to 1 to 1 to 1. Okay? So there's some bioexploration over here. Inheritance of blood group is an example that does not follow Mendel's law. Okay, remember Mendel's law? One gene has only 2 alleles, okay, according to Mendel's law, which is only one dominant allele and the other one is recessive allele.